Hey guys, it's Holly from Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to use printable vinyl from Craftables. So I start in Design Space, and in my Layers tab, I want to make sure that my image is set to print. And then I tap Make It, and it'll bring me to this preview screen. At the bottom, you can see the print option. I'll tap that, and then select my printer. When I'm ready, I'll tap Print at the top right. So now I'll load my printable vinyl from Craftables, and I'm going to load it shiny side down into the printer. And this printable vinyl will work with any inkjet printer. So once I tap Print in Design Space, it's going to send it to the printer to print. And you can see the black square around the design is the registration marks for the Cricut to read. So we're going to wait for the ink to dry, and then we can load it onto our mat and smooth down to load into our Cricut. Once I've loaded my mat, I go back into Design Space, and I'm going to select my material, and I'll select vinyl. And now I'm ready to cut. I'll just press the flashing Cricut button. And now your machine is ready to cut. It's just going to read the registration marks, and then it will cut your design just as you have it in Design Space. When it's finished, we're going to peel the mat away from the vinyl, and this prevents any wrinkles or folds in the material. And now I'll cut just outside of the registration marks to save the rest of the vinyl for another project. I'm going to wipe down my surface with alcohol to let the adhesive have a better stick. And now I'm ready to apply. So just peel it away, and I'll apply my sticker right onto the mug. I'll smooth it down, and then you can use a squeegee to get out any air bubbles and just make sure that you have a smooth stick. And now our project is finished.